is Mary Jane from Beaverton U-Haul. Today we're going to be putting a hitch on a Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these bumper bolts up here and we're going to loosen them about halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the passenger side. So now I'm going to take this one out and this one out. I'm going to loosen this top one right here. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the passenger side. So our next step is to put the hitch in place. I'm going to use a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to do that. If you do not have one of these, I would get an extra set of hands. These hitches can be pretty heavy. So when you're going up here, you want to make sure that it sits between this frame and that bracket right here. It's going to sit between them. Okay, so now that the hitch is in place, we're going to put the bolts that we took out earlier, we're going to put those back into place. And just be careful that the bumper is loose. Now we're going to go do it on the driver's side. So now we're going to install the provided hardware into the two bolts here that are on either side of the frame. I'm going to start on the driver's side here. Now we're going to go to the passenger side and do the same thing. Alright, so now we're going to put in these two blocks here. This hitch kind of created a gap over here, so we're gonna put two spacers. We're gonna take this one out, we'll put a block in there, and then we'll do it with the other one. So we're gonna do that now. Now you're gonna take the bolt and that spacer. You're gonna put it right between the two. Like that. We'll do that for that other one here. All right, now I got that one. I'm gonna move over to the driver's side now. All the hardware is in place. All we need to do now is just torque everything down. All right, so I'm gonna be using a 17 millimeter to tighten the existing bolts. I'm gonna torque it down to 105 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to do the last 4 bolts on the bottom of the frame. I'm going to use a 5-inch extension and a 19 millimeter socket. I'm going to be torquing these down to 105 foot-pounds. All right, our hitch is all torqued down and ready to go. I'm going to show you a few of our features on this hitch. You got a 2-inch receiver right here with a nice collar on it. You got 2 safety chain hooks. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day, stay safe, and enjoy the outdoors. Some important measurements that you'll need for this car is from the ground to the top of the receiver. That's 19 inches. That'll help you pick out a ball mount for this car. Another one is from the pinhole to the bumper. That's 3 inches. That'll help with any vertical accessories you decide to pick for this car.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.